Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Flosstube Day and it's my 252nd Flosstube. Today is October 29th, 2024. Whoa! Yeah, 2 days. 2 days to Halloween, and it's like a downslide all the way to Thanksgiving. Yeah, fun times. Well, last week turned out to be a lot busier than I thought it would be. Oh yeah, we have notes because we couldn't keep this all in our brain. Yeah, I had 4 reviews. I opened 2 boxes of gifts from 2 viewers, and I had my order from fan sales come in all in the same week. So yeah, it was quite busy and what to stitch on. And yeah, we have our our October cup. I can't even decide what month it is. I'm just flabbergasted. We're already almost to November. And today I have Simple Truth jasmine green tea today. So this is the last one for this year. Last Flosstube using that November cup, or October cup. See, I'm still doing it. We're going to get through this, guys. Just go get yourself a cup of coffee, maybe a little snack, because this might take a hot moment. Yeah. So, what in the world did we start? Yeah. So, I don't know where to start, but I guess we'll start with yesterday. Yesterday, I started this one. I call it Zen Orchids. And we started down here in these rocks. And I didn't get any more done than what I did for the video. Yep, just that little bit, but, you know. We'll keep it out. We'll keep working on it. See where that goes. I'm going to set that someplace because it's open. Sorry, didn't mean to get so close. All right, and I don't know. We'll go with the package stuff. I got this from Paint Some Way, and the orchids came from DP Clubs. So this is Cat City, and it worked not a lot on it, but a bit. And get it out of the plastic bag. Man, them Joy Sunday things are meant to keep everything in. Sometimes they fit back and sometimes they don't. So I've been working on the background. I did this for the video and then I did that part, and I started working on the little top triangle of this building here and got a couple things done. So yeah, I really like it. I just, you know, some days you just can't sit down. We'll just put that in there. It is not going anywhere, and I know what it is. Hang on, I have to keep reaching because everything's left and right. This one came from VIP Cross Stitch. And we started on the bottom of the pumpkin, I believe. I stitched a little bit on it more, you know, but not too much more. Just working on that reddish color I was trying to finish. So we'll keep it this one because it's nice and small and nice and easy to pick up and work on. Yep, love that. And this one I got from GBFKE, and I worked a little bit more on it in between. I guess you would call it waiting for other things that I didn't even know were coming. Do you know what I mean? I'm trying. The stupid threads wouldn't get out of my way. So this is all that I've gotten done on that. I think I got an extra color out. So that's coming along. There's nothing hard about this one at all. doesn't have any issues, you know, like half cross stitch here and half cross stitch there and quarter cross, just stitch and back stitch of course, but yeah. And I think that's all the little kits that I got. I got this one from Fan Cells, and I started working on it on Sunday night, and I started in this corner right here because it was the easiest that I could do. So it's just the bottom corner, and believe it or not, I know you're just not going to believe it unless you were here, there are two different colors in there, but you really can't tell. I don't know if it's showing up or not because I was working on that green symbol and, let's see, this yellow symbol. So yeah, and there's like 5 beads that were like a, what do you call it, like a copper color in there, and that copper color is up here a little bit more. So yeah, that's all I got done on that. You just close that off, and I started working on the tiger from Fan Cells. And as you know, I started working right over in here to come across to the back part of the tiger. So, yeah. And I kind of just pushed myself to sit at that table and work as long as I could. Because, you know, what do you call it? The diamond painting doesn't work real well there because of the way my neck is. So I did this until, you know, the neck went. So I got more of that part coming across, and then I started on the ridge part of his back. So, and I just put in a couple different bead colors in there. So it's coming along. But little clue, if you happen to get any of these and you have any of that shelf liner that you're using as, you know, something as a non-skid surface on your desk, yeah, you know how it's not non-skid. There's no non-skid to it at all. It says it was supposed to be, but anyway, I laid this down on it and it stuck to it, and you can see it pulled part of it off. I'm pretty, like, 75% sure that it's all going to come off when it's wet. So, yeah, it'll be fine. But just saying, it actually stuck to that, yeah. So, that was those. Got 2 more to go, kids. And this one came from One Day Saving. It is the colorful peonies. Do I have a picture? Yes, I do. And I'm not real sure where it started. I believe it was probably over here in that flower. That seems most logical for me. But, you know, me and logic some days just don't work. And I got to figure out where that is a yes, where I started. So we just got that, oh God, my arm. There and there. You can't tell the difference. Not there, but, and not there, but that way, that way. That's all I got done on that because I never got back to it. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. These flowers are just absolutely stunning. I just absolutely love them. One more. I gotta reach. My couch was full. And this is from Biggest Craft, and I lied about the bead part. No, I did this last week. So sorry. But it's the... What do I have? That's this one. And I worked on it last week. So, yeah. I believe. Because it's not on my list, so... And as you know, I only got that bloom bud done. So, yep, that wasn't even a part of it. And did I work on anything else? Well, I don't know that I had time. My goodness. It was like things just... I'm like, okay, stop. I need to focus. Nope, take a nap. That'll be good. The only thing that I did of any worth was work on my 12 Chinese ladies, if I can get a hold of them. I gotta see which way it goes. And I'm just working up here. I've gotta fold it so it doesn't look so thin, so you can actually see what's going on. What we need is 900 more feet. So I've been working in this part of her dress. You really can't tell. And that's all I got done on that. And I think the same symbol a little bit over here. So it's coming along. It really is. And I love working on it. I really do. It's just absolutely stunning. And that is everything. I told you it was going to be a hot moment. That I worked on. That I can... I did work on Megazilla. I finished up a thread that was out, and it's not worth dragging it out. So, well, I just kind of pretend I didn't work on that. And the same goes with Colorful Town. There was a thread that I hadn't finished, so I finished that thread, and then I was kind of done for... I had too much in my brain. My brain was full. Yeah, that is everything that I worked on, started, and came in. Some of them, I don't know when I'll get to start them. You know, we'll save them for a little bit later. Like that. I don't know that I got it last week, but that winter... What? I think it was called Winter Fawn or something to that effect. Should have just been called Winter and stopped at that. But it has a little deer and the ice skates. We're going to save that for like January. I really like that. I think it's pretty. So maybe in December, you know. And it doesn't have anything to do with Christmas. So I was trying to think in my brain. So, yeah. We'll save it till a little bit later. It's over there on the, you know, when you have nothing else better to do, start this. So we'll see. But yeah, I have no idea what's going to happen this week. We'll probably have reviews. And like I said, I made another fan sales order, but it says it's been shipped. And I'm going to say at least 2 weeks. It's still in Hong Kong. And I'll probably have reviews coming in from... some of them I can see, some of them I can't. So, look forward to all that. Still haven't got a clue about next Saturday's November stitching Saturday. Yeah. I will inform you on one of the Stitch With Me's this week of what I've decided to have as a theme for November. Can we just keep it fall? I got about 10 fall things. I could recycle all that, but no. Who knows? We'll see. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.